Kawasaki has announced a global recall for the certain units of Ninja ZX6R of the year 2024-25 due to certain engine-related defect. The issue is caused by crankshaft cores that may have been overtorqued during manufacturing. This problem can reduce oil clearance around the crankshaft. In extreme cases, it may even lead to an engine failure or to seize without warning. Kawasaki has confirmed that approximately 18,000 units have been affected in the US, with similar measures has been taken in the other global markets, including Europe and UK. As of now, there is no information whether the bike in India will be recalled or not. For more such related contents, do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one.